I want you to rate this story. So
Story,
on the
story.
website, right?
Oh, the founder story.
I have a whole like founder story.
Dropped out at 13. Self-taught hacking.
Yeah, I'm making like Webverse not about like the product itself, but also like me. You know what I
Hmm.
mean? Like a face behind it.
Man, like my room is really messy, and like I it wasn't as professional as I would have liked it, but it is what it is.
My room is fucking.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, this is the nature of it, bro. Like I don't know what to tell you. Um,
Yeah, man.
you're,
And
you're
we're launching April 10th, like next Friday. So it's
yeah.
soon.
Mark it
You know what
down
I
on the
mean?
calendar. Get the plug
Mark it
in.
down. Yeah, man, I've been cooking up some crazy shit. Like I got 5 servers, like 3 in the US,
You
2 in
got
Europe.
you got it all set up now, like the pro version now.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then like when you pick a VPN server like US or EU and it picks from like a list of like which one's the least busy
Yeah.
in terms of the users and your labs run on that server and you connect to the VPN on that server.
Oh, you're able to connect and everything. Okay, it's oh, nice, nice, nice.
You know what? It might I feel like the lag it might be the spiders.
Yeah,
You see,
yeah.
like these little animations, man. I'll have to like add a feature somewhere in like your settings where you
Turn
can
off the
like
animations.
disable spiders. Man, I even have like achievements. Like there's like a 1 in 10,000 chance that a diamond spider will spawn. And like a 1 in 5,000 for a golden spider. Like so, like every like 10,000 times you visit a page with spiders on it, you'll see one.
Wait, so it's like a clicking game where you click the spider and does it actually interact?
Yeah,
Oh, okay, that's cool.
yeah. But I feel like I need to optimize it a bit. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Same thing with like this profile page with the stats, make it more gamified.
make it more hack the boxy. Yeah, try hack me.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
cool.
they get the gamification down like really good. But yeah, you can see here use OpenVPN and
You
you
got
can
the
find it.
VPN configuration all set up. Which
Oh yeah.
lab are you gonna demo?
Uh I'd say one of the easier labs.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Probably.
Let's see.
I saw that you had a write up for roll Riptide,
Yeah,
um,
actually
tricky tunnel as well.
I've been working on like write-ups for all the labs. Like I built an AI like agent team with Claude that makes
Yeah,
the write-ups for me.
yeah. It's not. Oh, okay. So you actually do have it all
Oh
set
yeah.
up.
I
Nice,
don't have them
nice.
for all of them yet, but at launch it should be good. Yeah, but this
Oh,
is
so the
the
platform hasn't So I was looking at the platform earlier today. So like this isn't all launched yet. So this is the pro version, right?
no.
Okay.
This is coming out on like April 10th.
Okay. Okay. I see. I see. So
Yeah,
I don't
so I'm
know.
Leighlin Ramsay.
Yeah, Leighlin
I'm
Ramsay.
17, and basically I've been doing hacking for a while. I sacrifice like not only my high school education, but also my middle school education for cybersecurity. Like I figured I might as well just say fuck school and just go all in on something. You know what I mean? I figured it's all or nothing. Get rich, die trying. You know what I mean? Version, which it's still pretty good, but like the pro platform, it's amazing. Like labs start up in like seconds. It's all concurrent safe. Like I did
Hmm.
a stress test on it where I made a Python script that logs in, makes like 300 accounts,
Yeah.
makes them all pro and starts labs continuously, like at the same time. You know what I mean? Just to test it.
Yeah.
And
This is really cool. Do you
yeah,
want
and they're
to?
all like they're all web labs. They're all crazy chains. Like I even got one where it's so cool. Like at the end of it, there's a server-side request forgery, and you can
Hmm.
use the Gopher protocol.
Yeah.
It's this hook feature on one of the sites, and you port scan the machine, right? And then you find in like a Redis instance that's unauthenticated, and you're able to dump keys from Redis, enumerate Redis, and find the flag in there.
I've used Gopher before. I like I didn't
Yeah.
know that like but Gopher's been around like since like the 1990s or whatever, and like it's just like there and like people don't disable it or whatever it might be. Like yeah, it's
Oh man,
interesting.
you'd be surprised. They think, oh, like it's internal, like only the backend API is going to be accessing Redis, which
Hmm.
I do use Redis for the pro platform,
Yeah, as
but I don't
a
leave it
database.
authenticated. It's got like a 40 character password.
All right. I wanted to
Yeah.
go over like a couple of your like projects and stuff because I saw that you had like you were working on the C2 before all of this, so the Gunner,
Yeah.
yeah, Gunner C2 I think. And then like you did some as you said like you did some like gray hat hacking and stuff like that. And then now you're transitioning into this like Webverse and like this platform, right? So
Yeah,
it's
I
cool.
started Webverse because I was I don't know if you noticed, I was going on a cert grind like every like 2 weeks. I was getting like a new cert like CRTP, CRTE,
Hmm.
CRTO. Like I was just hammering them, right? And then I was
Yeah.
like, why not go into BSCP? I might as well get a web cert. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? Why not? And I figured I wanted to go into like ASCP, like API Second University, their shit.
Yeah.
And then I realized, wait a minute, why the fuck don't they have any labs?
Hmm.
They have courses, but they don't have a platform. Like it can't be that hard to build like what Hack the Box or Try Hack Me does. That like that
This
Tyler
is
guy.
this is AppySec, right? Yeah, like or like the API
Yeah,
sec. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah.
Okay. They don't have
And I figured,
labs? Wait, they don't have labs?
no, they
Wait,
don't. They
what
don't have
the
fucking
heck?
labs. I think they have labs for like their exams, but not like a bunch of them you can just do.
Yeah,
You can like, subscribe and do. And I figured why not API first?
interesting,
So I made
interesting.
like a local CLI tool that was pretty shitty, but it was a good attempt.
Yeah.
And I was like, wait a minute, there is no platform that has web labs that you can interact with in a UI like Hack the Box has and TryHackMe has
Hmm.
that are really complex. Like PortSwigger that has like their labs, but they're all single vulnerability. They don't look very realistic. They feel like
Yeah.
CTFs, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
But there's
it doesn't feel nice, yeah.
yeah, there's nothing that's there that's just
Well,
full scale multi-chain.
it's like it feels very
You know what I
samey.
mean?
Yeah, it feels very samey and there's like yeah, there isn't as many chains. It's like you're doing one specific thing. I wanted to talk about Gunner C2 because I thought that was cool. Like we were talking about it in DMs a little bit and like how you weren't able to like obviously you can't sell the C2 and then stuff so it's
I
interesting.
could not.
Yeah.
I tried though. I was gonna try and build like an exceptional C2 and
Hmm.
sell it to the public for like $30 a month. You know what I mean? And it turns out that is super illegal.
Yeah.
You know what
They
I
do not
mean?
allow
Like
kids.
very illegal. Like I don't know why you can open source a C2, but
Yeah.
you'll get the shit kicked out of you for selling one.
Well, I think like Havoc went pro, but it's like it's all business, like business pro or like
Yeah.
whatever their thing is, right? Um,
Talked to that guy. Like I actually showed him the Gunner C2 project, but
mhm.
yeah, that stuff's mainly like B2B. Like you can't
Yeah.
really do like to the public. So in the meantime, I was like, well, I don't have a business idea to do. I got my job, which is paying me good money. Might as well do some certs.
And so you sort of did the circ grind, and then you went to API Sec, and you saw that they didn't do any labs, and you're like, screw it, man, let's do it.
Yeah, I was
I
like,
like it.
where the fuck are their labs? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like I love that. Like imagine like if I'm preparing for the exam, I could do some labs. Like
I
I'd
noticed
totally
something like
15, $20 a month
HTTP
for
doesn't
the
actually do as much API labs as they should, honestly. And so like this is
no.
actually like they have like maybe like 5 machines on their entire platform of like 500 machines that is like
Yeah.
AP, like actually like API like heavy focus, which is kind of
I,
interesting, right?
I
Um,
don't think they don't do a lot of like
yeah,
in-depth like web stuff either.
yeah.
Like advanced like cross-site scripting, like
No, they don't. Like I'm trying to
yeah.
think.
You know
Port
what I mean? They
Swinger,
have
they do have it. Like Port Swinger does have certain things that are more advanced, but I haven't done the platform enough. Like I'm also taking
yeah,
like BSCP and like CRTO. I'm going through the cert grind myself, so yeah.
yeah, but most of their labs are like a single vulnerability. You know what I
Yep.
mean? They they
Yeah.
they aim to teach you one thing and one thing only per
No
lab.
chain. Yeah.
And the labs aren't very realistic. Like another thing about Webverse, especially like with the newer labs,
Hmm.
is I go for a really like realistic and like unique UI and UX. Like I have a Notion thing, a Notion like table, I'll call it. I think that's the official name for it.
Yeah.
Where my AI agent that does research on different lab chains, and when it's building the UI UX based on a lab ID it's generated, it
Yeah.
will compare that to existing labs UI and UX and the ones that are in the table,
Hmm.
and it'll make it unique.
Interesting.
You know what
Wait.
I
So
mean?
like, wait. So what do you mean exactly? So that you have a Notion table? Wait, go over it again. Sorry.
Let me share my it's lab ideas.
Oh, okay. I see now. I see. I see. I see.
This would
Yeah.
be a chain.
Okay.
That's a master level
Where do you
chain.
get the CVEs from? Like, or do you look at like bug bounty reports and stuff like
Oh, this,
that, and then
oh, I
build the
don't I
chain
don't do
out?
all this. This is all AI.
This is all AI. Okay,
It's
interesting.
like you know Claude has like sub agents, right?
Yeah.
Basically, they have a thing called agent teams where these agents can talk to each other instead of just like you
Yeah.
through like a shared like message queue system.
Yeah. And so you have
And I
one
have
agent specifically to give the idea, and then another agent to build out the table, and then another agent to, like whatever it
yeah,
might be, build out the chain. Okay.
sort of. I have it spawn like 10 research agents to do on research on general topics like injection,
I see.
like server-side request forgery, server-side template injection, and like new like novel chains like what was it, error-based server-side template injection or time-based server-side template injection,
Mm-hmm.
like newer shit like that, and it like compares it to what it already has in the Notion database, and it
That's
comes up
pretty
with
cool.
like a name form, like a in the company name, and it also
It
does
comes
like
up
a
with like a
full like,
story. Nice.
yeah, it also comes up with like a full breakdown of the chain, like describing each step in detail.
Nice.
Isn't that awesome?
It is pretty cool. Pretty sick.
I got like another one that builds out the UI UX for each lab I decide it should build it for.
Hmm. So this is for the actual like website that you bring up,
Yeah,
or okay,
like this is for the labs.
I
Like
see.
once you like access the labs,
Yeah,
it goes into like a lot of detail with the UI UX of the labs.
see, I see.
Yeah,
Okay,
man. So
well,
and this is the platform.
yeah, let's showcase the
I'm
platform
using
a bit. So this is the pro version of your platform now.
right now the pro version is 19.99 a month.
Hmm.
So it's pretty good, especially for like specialized labs. You see how fast that was?
Yeah, it actually came up pretty fast. Um, that's the nice thing with web and like not having to do AD chains and stuff like that is like it's not gonna have too bad of a startup time like at all.
Yeah.
Have it almost instant.
See,
Okay,
there we go.
now it's working.
I think I have that already in my house. Let's see, yeah, it's already in my house, but
Nice.
usually it'll redirect you to the domain it's supposed to go to,
And then you put it
and
into
it'll
your
give you a
Etsy
DNS
hosts.
error.
Yep.
Yeah. See,
Okay.
this is here.
So this is app-render-parlor.io. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
It's like
Yeah.
hotel penthouse type thing. Okay. Exteriors.
Yeah.
On
I think this is like
creation.
a building design company or something. Test studio. So you can register an account.
Nice, nice.
It's gonna do.
What proxy do you use? Do you just use burp
Yeah,
or whatever?
burp is usually what I use. Yeah, you got in here, you can create a new project. And how you solve the lab is basically, I'll show you, you create a project, right?
Hmm.
Just go test project, Gunner, Gunner.com. Just do test project. You see right here, this is one for Bola. You see this random UUID. Like a lot of people think
Yep.
it's safe 'cause it's pretty fucking random, right?
Yep.
But if you go to this client gallery, I forget if it does this right here. Yeah. Let me see.
Okay, so you can see in the
Oh
source
yeah.
code where the API endpoint is for the search. Fetch
Yeah,
there.
right here, API gallery.
And this is for the image or well, okay, so it's looking at the
Yeah,
image UUID. I see.
yeah. So yeah, you go in here, apt up, render. You try and reach it yourself.
Yeah.
Go API. You could try search or this gallery endpoint.
Hmm. We can
And this,
see.
it returns something interesting. These
Turns what?
UUIDs. Sorry, my like selection's a bit fucked. It'll
Yep.
grab the top one for whatever amount. I'll grab this product ID, but there's one thing interesting. Like this one really stood out to me, the confidential
Confidential.
one.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you
Well, this
like,
is like I don't know if this is this considered personal identification. Oh, there is like
yeah,
people's
it's like a
names. Yeah.
authorization. It checks for if you're authenticated, not if
Okay.
you're like actually authorized to grab it, right?
I see. Okay, and now you can
The
check the UUID if it changes.
Oh yeah, and you see this part, this path, it does check authorization.
Mhm.
Go into here, you API projects.
You're gonna query that one now.
Yeah,
It's nice, nice.
and it shows you sometimes just the front end does it. Check here, projects. The fuck? Let me look at the write up right quick. Man, like these
All
labs
good,
are
all
pretty
good.
hard. I built these a decent bit ago.
Projects
Yeah.
UUID. Okay,
Oh,
so
oh,
when
wait.
you got the
I
wrong
know.
UUID.
No, I know why. Because
Hmm.
it checks authentication, but not authorization, but I didn't specify any cookies in my
Ah, I see. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah,
Your curl command is not os.
yeah. Let me just grab this right here. Copy value.
And that cookie. Oh, there we
Okay. There we go. And you
go.
see this is not my project right here. I should
Mhm.
not be able to see this email or this flag in the client notes.
I see. Yep. So that
I
is
can copy
that
this.
is the solve of the lab there.
Yeah, this
Okay,
is
nice, nice.
a very
This
easy
is
lab.
yeah, not bad, not bad.
Let's see. I think I've already solved one. I hope I can still. Oh yeah,
Already
fuck.
complete this lab. That's
I've
okay
already
though.
solved that. I've already solved that one, but there's like a really cool like
Animation.
animation it
Ah, okay.
shows like a solve overlay.
Well, it'd be cool if it not necessarily like shows again, but like shows that oh it's like greened out because you've already solved it or something like that. You know,
I
work in
think
progress.
it shows it like on the
Mhm.
labs page, but I need to figure out a way to show like you've already solved it here.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
yeah, yeah.
You see like
Oh
these
yeah,
little like
the
check
check mark.
marks.
Yeah, so it's already there. Just need to apply it to that page.
But
It's
yeah, like
cool.
those three right there, it's all dynamic, right? And I'm trying to add more labs in. Like these three are the new labs I've added in the past few days. This is the one with the server-side request forgery and
Yeah.
Redis. This is one we just did, and this is another one.
Nice,
These
nice,
are like
nice.
nice little animations. But yeah, I'm trying to add as many labs as I can before launch. I think like when the platform launches, I'm gonna try and get like 2 to 3 new labs out every week.
Hmm. So you're
So
really
like
like ramping it up as much as you can in the beginning.
yeah, I'm gonna try and maintain that too. Like at least maybe not 3, but at least 2.
Hmm.
You know what I mean? Especially like, once this platform gets big and I can like replace my income from my job.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
yeah, exactly. Well, it's kind of cool. Like, do you have like the login and everything set up as well in the backend so that people have like accounts and their like ratings and stuff? You have it all set?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Everything is all set. Like I even have like verify your email set up. Like when you sign up, log in for the first time, it won't let you like get into the platform before you verify your email.
Hmm.
I have like billing set up, Stripe set up, everything.
Nice, nice, nice.
I'll show you the billing. You see how it takes like a decent bit
Yeah, the loading.
to load?
Okay.
Watch this. Like, and
That's
that does it. This is all cached in Redis,
oh nice.
so it doesn't have to query Stripe again. But yeah, Stripe is in test mode right now. At launch, it won't be.
Hmm.
Let's see
Few
here. Yeah,
things I have to.
it opens Stripe and you can manage your subscription to Webverse. I just have a test card right now. But like even if we explode to like 1 million users, that would be some serious shit.
Yeah,
Like the servers could not handle that. Like
yeah.
within a short time period.
Well, like you're
You know what I
slowly
mean?
building it all out, and like once you start getting your first
Yeah,
subscriptions and stuff, like
like
it'll come together.
I've done a decent bit of stress testing. I've eliminated like some bottlenecks. I think the next one maybe at like 1,000 users, the
Hmm.
actual Docker daemon like with Docker Compose might start to be like a bottleneck. I might have to
Yeah,
switch to Podman.
yeah. Well, like I think you could also like begin to switch over to like cloud and stuff, and like use like EC2s or whatever, and then they can manage it all. But
That that's the thing.
eventually, that's like an eventuality thing.
They're they're right expensive. I use
Mm.
a cloud like
Okay.
Hetzinger is really like cost affordable.
Yeah,
I don't know how they do it. They're based out of Germany.
I see. So they are a
So
cloud provider as well. Okay. And then you're
yeah,
just using Docker, the Docker layer to manage all the containers. Okay.
yeah, I mean it's an interesting setup. Like it uses Celery and Redis for like message queuing,
Hmm.
and like all the EU servers connect to the main server through WireGuard, so they're able to access the internal API via like a private IP address.
Or do you want to do
I
another lab? I don't know.
I mean, they're a bit complex, but
Yeah, I know. Might be a bit difficult. Yeah, like 120 minutes on your hard machines, and then like 75 minutes are your mediums. Interesting.
I mean that's like the average.
Yeah,
I think eventually, like, I don't know how I would even track that, to be honest, like how
yeah,
long it takes for each user. Actually, I probably could track that, how long it takes each user to complete a lab, but
yeah. Just by like when they start up and then when they submit the flag, kind of thing. But
yeah. Yeah,
uh,
that's another thing. It's been fun building this platform because you got to think about like everything of what happens when like 500 users do it, or what
yeah,
happens when 500 users do it at the same time.
everybody's gonna like boot it up at the same time. Like especially like when it's like bloods and stuff. Like like hack the box. I know that Hack the Box, like still to this day, like they have those like stutters. Like when you start a machine, even though they're like a huge platform, right? Um, they still don't got it figured out, honestly.
It's I mean it's a bit easier for me because the labs are all like just Docker containers.
Yeah.
They're not like full like scale like virtual machines, but
Hmm.
yeah, it's definitely like a challenge, especially like for like a single person team.
Yeah.
Because it's just me doing everything, like building the platform, making new features, building the labs, like handling marketing, making sure people know what the hell Webverse is.
Yeah. Well, I
You know
think
what I
you've
mean?
been doing a good job so far, when it comes to all that stuff. So yeah, should be
Yeah, I've been
proud of
trying.
yourself.
A little bit. The job ain't done yet, but
Yeah.
I got some more stuff. Like
You
once the platform like gets enough labs, I'm gonna add tracks in
yeah,
so
so
I can
then people
organize them
know
like
what to
yeah,
do
like
where.
they can have like 50 labs on SQL injection or
Hmm.
10 labs on API hacking,
I think this is going
and
to help a
I'll
lot more for people who want to do bug bounty and like things like that. Like
yeah.
there's not that many good resources on like API hacking and stuff like that. So
Even the existing platforms like
mhm.
Hacking Hub and Bug Forge, like I feel like most of them are like really like CTFE. You know
Yeah,
what I mean?
yeah, they don't
But
do
like
as
I
much of the chains.
yeah, like I try and stay away from like CTF stuff, like
Mhm.
shit where you have to like brute force like Go Buster like the shit
Yeah,
out of a website or like fuzz a hidden parameter, like do anything like guessy like that. I try and like stay away from it. You know
yeah,
what I mean? You know something really CTFE? I
mhm.
failed the OSCP
Yeah.
because I did not spray passwords out of rocku.txt at like into Active Directory users.
Yeah,
That's why I failed OSCP.
it's crazy.
Bro, like who would do that? Like it's gonna lock out fucking employees at the company. They're gonna be all pissed.
Yeah.
They're not gonna be able to do their jobs. Fucking the company's revenue is gonna go down. Customers are gonna be pissed off.
Using rock you on the AD is kind of crazy. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah,
Like doing a curb root, it
like
just
fuck
feels.
off. Like man, like who does OffSec think they are? Doing like doing something like teaching something like that to beginners. Like who like it has to have been somebody's job to think of like the exam environments, and why would someone think of that? Another big thing coming called like web ranges.
Yep.
I still haven't decided like what they're gonna be. I know I want them to be Webverse's version of ProLabs.
Yep.
I just need to like really map it out, like design like how they're gonna be, what is the chain gonna be.
Hmm.
I feel like I want multiple paths to the end goal, you know what I mean? Like you can take X route or Y route because that's how it is in a real pen test. There might be this chain, there might be that chain. You might be able to get in through this subdomain and pivot through a chain it has on that. Especially with like a larger company, which is what most like bug bounty people go after for those big bounties. The first year, right? The first year,
Hmm.
2022, I was getting into hacking. It's like cybersecurity was like the reason I woke up in the morning. All I
Yeah.
lived for. Like 14 to 16 hours a day, every day on Hack the Box, try hack me, doing machines, doing pro labs, doing fortresses. Yeah, yeah,
Yes,
all me.
sir. You finally you got it, bro. I mean, what else do you need?
Yeah, man, I need to make a post about it.
Yeah. Did you get it recently, or it's been a couple of years?
I think I did the exam like early January,
Okay. Okay.
but I only like recently I got it in the mail. It took like a solid minute. I did get a T-shirt first though,
Nice.
like before the actual certification came, but yeah, I think it'd be really cool if like Webverse had something like that. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like some serious like web application hacking, like pivoting through microservices, maybe even like
Hmm.
pivoting through Kubernetes. Like the company uses
Yeah.
Kubernetes to spin up their web applications behind a load balancer or something, and you need
Yeah.
to pivot through pods and shit.
Yeah. I've done machines like that where you have to go through the pods and then it's like a huge chain as well. Yeah. If you start integrating like cloud and stuff as well, it'd be really cool. But that's like
Yeah,
that's later down the line,
I,
much later down the
I need to
line.
set something like that up. Like once I get big enough, like I need to define like a standardized process, like a script for like adding worker servers
Yeah.
to the main server. You know what I mean? Because I already have a script that like automates most of it. Like when I buy a new server, I get a root password, SSHs in, and just
Yeah.
sets up most of it. But it would be cool if I could have that like on the run. Like if it detects like user count is increasing like really fast,
Yeah.
it could buy a bunch of servers for me on Hetzinger,
Hmm.
like provision them and add them to the database as servers like in the list.
I mean, this is what like most cloud providers they provide like that EC2 like instance go up thing, like whatever their like load balancing thing is.
Yeah,
I don't know how it
but
works
that's
exactly, but it's like a yeah, it's expensive though.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Especially like since this is pre-revenue, right? Like I think
Yeah,
my current bill is like $180 a month in
yeah,
servers, and that's USD. So, and I'm in Canada.
yeah.
I
So it's
mean, I
like
pay like
that's like 300 right there.
and I pay like $500 Canadian, not $500 Canadian, 320 in Claude.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Man, like my room is really messy, and like I it wasn't as professional as I would have liked it, but you know, it is what it is.
my room is fucking.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, this is the nature of it, bro. Like I don't know what to tell you. Um,
Yeah, man.
you're,
And
you're
we're launching April 10th, like next Friday. So it's
yeah.
soon.
Mark it
You know
down
what I
on the
mean?
calendar. You know, get the plug
Mark it
in.
down.
All right, thanks so much, Leighlin.
No
Leighlin
problem,
Ramsay,
man.
everybody. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I want you to rate this story. So
Story,
on the
story.
website, right,
Oh, the founder story.
I have a whole like founder story.
Dropped out at 13. Self-taught hacking.
You know, I'm making like Webverse not about like the product itself, but also like me. You know what I
Mm-hmm.
mean? Like a face behind it.
Working since 14. Nice.
Yeah, man. And then this
Certifications.
is where we were at certifications, and then Gunner C2, and then Webverse.
Nice, man. This is like
Yeah, man.
really this is crazy good progress, man. In like the year that I've been doing cybersecurity, I've only managed to get CPTS so far. And so you know, like
Man.
everybody's making their own waves, you know.
Oh man,
Yeah.
man, you see this shit?
The spider.
You see that fucking man? That's a 1 in 5,000 chance
Man,
you
that's like
fucking catch it.
crazy.
Oh, look at that.
Wait, is it actually? That's crazy.
Yeah, man, we fucking got him. 1 in 5,000 chance.
Wait, that's actually crazy.
We got the achievement, bro.
Wait, did you
We
got the
fucking did it.
which one is the wait? How much is the diamond one? 1 in 10,000?
Yeah, like if you refresh this page 10,000 times, you'll see one diamond spider on average.
Okay,
You got golden spider, it's 5,000.
that's crazy.
I'm gonna make. I got all kinds of ideas. Like I'm gonna make this one lab where it's gonna be a request smuggling lab,
Hmm.
and it writes something to memcached, right? And then another service grabs data from that memcache.
Yeah.
But the thing it's using to grab data with, like you can, I forget what it is. I think it's like a Ruby payload that can get deserialized
Mm,
and it can execute code. And if you control what
interesting.
gets written to memcache, you can control what this application fetches. You know what I mean? Like how like web can mix with like microservices and like infrastructure.
Yeah,
Like,
it's
man,
cool.
you just don't see that shit anywhere else. Like let me ask you something. Have you ever done a lab where you've seen a second order server side template injection?
I actually haven't done a second order. I don't think I have. Well, actually, I'm trying to
Maybe a
think. Like
second
in
email
CPTS,
injection.
do they do second order like XX? Actually, no, they do out of band XXE. I don't know if they do second order. Like I haven't. I don't know if I've done a
Like
second order like SQL injection either. Like I don't think I've done one.
man, like
Uh,
in the Pocket Lab, there's a CRM, right? And the payroll site fetches
mhm.
employee names, descriptions from the CRM
Yeah,
and displays them and renders them with Jinja 2.
yeah,
And you have to bypass this like really crazy filter on the CRM site to actually get your payload in there. And when the payroll site fetches it, it renders it on its platform. So it's like it grabs the data and then it renders it. So it's second order, right?
yeah.
You know what I mean?
I see. I see.
And that's like something that might happen in the real world. 'Cause imagine you get your stuff stored in Notion, you grab it from Notion, but then you render that in like Jinja 2
Yeah,
or like some template language to make it
and
look all
then
pretty.
it does the code execution after in the gin.
Yeah,
Okay,
man.
see, I see.
Like that sort of like interesting shit is like
Hmm.
the sort of labs I want to have on Webverse. So people will be like, "What the fuck?"
It's cool because it's like you actually have to visualize the chain in your head in order to like understand, and you have to understand the infrastructure in order to get that attack to work in the first place, right? So, yeah,
Yeah, man.
it's a different
You
way of
got
thinking. Yeah.
like instead of just like copy and paste and payloads,
Mhm.
most labs are, you actually gotta like think about it like how this like web app works.
Yep.
You know what I mean? Like
Yeah.
why the fuck does it like take forever to load this, but then I go refresh it and it's like instant. It
Yeah, it's
must
using
use
a
some kind of
cache,
cache.
some caching mechanism, right?
You know what I
Do some
mean?
do some cache poisoning.
Yeah.
Yourself.
Yeah. Let's wrap it up. I don't want to take up any more of your time.